If you manage a membership-based organization, it is very likely that you are facing the challenge of organizing your General Assembly without being able to bring the delegates together. From early on in the COVID-19 crisis, with gatherings and travels restricted, we started supporting organizations like yours in organizing of a General Assembly online. Let me share with you 5 tips, things I found important as we accompanied our clients. First of all, make sure you check the legal basis for the gathering online, both the statutes of your organization as well as the legal framework of the country where you are registered. Secondly, plan everything with your delegates in mind. They are the most important governing body of your organization. You want them to feel engaged, empowered, connected, and full of trust after the assembly. Think about what would they need to participate comfortably and know that they have space to be heard and make the right decisions without feeling stressed or pressured. The important aspect of this planning, and my third tip for you, is taking a careful look at your agenda. You will not be able to have exact same timing and sessions as you would in a face-to-face meeting. See what is absolutely necessary during your online session and add space and time for participation, and plan for having additional ways of interaction beyond the meeting. Sending documents in advance, creating smaller working groups meetings online around the General Assembly, or curating a members' discussion forum are just few of the possibilities. Next tip, master the technology you will use. Spend time in researching different tools and learning the ones you choose inside out. Be prepared for technology to fail and have a backup plan always ready. Lastly, pay attention to the visuals you will use. Good presentations during a virtual meeting will keep your participants attentive and engaged. They will also help you to transmit your message clear and let it sink in with the delegates. I hope you can use those tips when planning your assembly. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for your success.